Top 8. Healthy breakfast for diabetics. Lower blood sugar. Did you know skipping breakfast could wreak havoc on your blood sugar and energy levels if you have type 2 diabetes? What you eat, or don't eat, in the morning can make all the difference between a day of stable energy and one filled with crashes and cravings. For many, breakfast is just another item on a busy morning checklist. But for those managing diabetes, it's a powerful tool to kickstart your metabolism and keep your blood sugar in check. In today's video, we'll explore the top 8 breakfast options designed to lower your blood sugar, keep you energized, and fit seamlessly into your schedule. From quick, delicious recipes to understanding how balanced nutrition can transform your day, this guide has everything you need. Let's dive in. 1. Breakfast smoothie with berries and Greek yogurt. Worried about giving up your favorite smoothies because of diabetes? You don't have to. Starting your day with a smoothie can still be a part of a diabetes-friendly diet if you balance it right. Imagine a smoothie that's not only refreshing, but also packed with the necessary protein and fiber to keep your blood sugar levels consistent. One great option is a breakfast smoothie with berries and Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, contributing 22 grams per serving without the need for protein powders. This creamy ingredient doesn't just add texture, it helps maintain steady energy without the spikes, aiding in blood sugar control throughout the morning. Mixed with fiber-rich berries, it also provides a good amount of carbohydrates, around 30 grams, and 5 grams of fiber, which is essential for keeping you full and balanced. What makes this smoothie stand out? Besides its simplicity, it consists of ingredients you likely have at home: yogurt, frozen berries, milk, and an optional hint of sweetener. It's quick to make, portable, and easy to adapt based on your pantry. According to the American Diabetes Association, including protein-rich foods in your morning meal can be beneficial for managing diabetes effectively. This smoothie fits perfectly into that strategy. So whether you're rushing out the door or have a leisurely morning planned, this smoothie not only breaks the monotony but also supports your health goals, ensuring your blood sugar levels start and stay at a stable point throughout the day. Let's redefine breakfast and make it a delight, not just a routine. 2. Whole wheat blueberry muffins with a protein-rich side. Who says you have to give up your favorite baked treats just because you're managing diabetes? The real secret lies in making smarter choices. Whole wheat blueberry muffins can be a delicious part of your breakfast regimen. Common misconceptions often suggest that sugar and carbs are off limits for diabetics, but that's not the full story. It's about balance and moderation. Pairing foods with a higher glycemic index, GI, with protein-rich sides helps lower the overall glycemic load, making it a more stable choice for blood sugar control. So, what's the GI and GL all about? According to respected sources like Johns Hopkins, GI measures how a food affects your blood glucose levels, with foods high on the GI scale causing rapid spikes. However, glycemic load, GL, gives a better picture by considering the actual portion size and its overall impact on your glucose levels. For example, while watermelon might seem high GI, its actual GL is low due to fewer carbs per serving. Now, imagine biting into a muffin that's not just bursting with juicy blueberries, but also loaded with fiber from whole grains. Top it off with a side of Greek yogurt, a hard-boiled egg, or a slice of cheese. These additions not only make your meal satisfying, but also bump up the protein, helping in the gradual release of blood sugar. According to the USDA, a 156-gram serving of non-fat Greek yogurt packs 16 grams of protein, offering a satisfying start to your day. Remember, while a muffin has about 31 grams of carbs, pairing it right ensures you're not just watching what you eat, but how your meals work for you. Embrace enjoyable and balanced breakfasts, nourishing both your body and spirit on the journey to excellent diabetes management. Let's keep transforming breakfast into a moment of empowerment and health. 3. Whole grain cereal with oatmeal, egg, and ground flaxseed. When you hear cereal, you might envision something boring or packed with sugar. But with the right ingredients, it becomes a powerhouse breakfast, especially for those managing diabetes. Picture this: a steaming bowl of oatmeal that's not just filling, but also nourishing and crafted to keep your energy steady. Oatmeal, on its own, might not always leave you satisfied, but when you add protein and healthy fats, it transforms into a satisfying meal. By incorporating eggs and milk into your oatmeal, you pack in 16 grams of protein, significantly boosting its staying power. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, crucial for keeping your blood sugar stable. And when we sprinkle in ground flaxseed, we introduce healthy fats and fiber, both of which help keep you full longer. According to the USDA, just a tablespoon of ground flaxseed gives you roughly 1.91 grams of fiber and 1.3 grams of protein. This combination not only provides essential nutrients, but also keeps carb content in check, with a serving tallying up to 53 grams. The American Heart Association suggests that incorporating whole grains like oatmeal can benefit heart health, a key consideration for those with diabetes. Imagine starting your day with this hearty bowl, warm, creamy, and enhanced with the nutty texture of flaxseed. It's not just a meal, it's a mindful start to your morning, providing nourishment and satisfaction. Bring excitement to your breakfast and support your health goals in one delicious bite. Let's make each morning a conscious step towards better blood sugar management and well-being. 4. Vegetarian eggs and lentils on toast. Imagine starting your day with something as simple yet nourishing as vegetarian eggs and lentils on toast. This delightful twist on the classic breakfast staple offers more than just delicious flavors. It brings together the protein power of eggs and the nutritional benefits of lentils, known for their ability to manage blood sugar effectively. Each sunny-side-up egg not only provides 6.2 grams of protein, but also essential nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are particularly important for eye health, a major concern for many living with diabetes. Thanks to the USDA, we know these nutrients play a critical role in supporting your overall eye health, a vital aspect when managing diabetes. Lentils, on the other hand, have been shown to offer a hypoglycemic effect, making them a great ally in blood sugar management. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences highlights that incorporating lentils in your diet can reduce the risk and aid better management of diabetes. While this meal features around 62 grams of carbohydrates per serving, it brings along a hefty 20 grams of fiber and a satisfying 25 grams of protein. This balance helps ensure that your breakfast is not only filling, but also supports a stable blood sugar level throughout the morning. For a wholesome start to your day, opt for this satisfying, protein-rich dish and enjoy the combination of flavors that love your body back. It's more than just a meal. It's a step towards empowering your health journey, making mornings not just about nutrients, but also about caring for what truly matters, your well-being. Before we continue the video, can I ask you a question? If you found these tips helpful, please hit subscribe so you can stay updated with more practical advice and insights for managing diabetes effectively every day. We really want to help you. 5. Mushroom freezer breakfast. Burritos. Crave warmth and flavor in the morning? Look no further than the mushroom freezer breakfast burrito. It's not just a quick and savory option, but also diabetes-friendly, providing a nutritious start to your day without sacrificing taste. Packed with the essential duo of protein and fiber, it aids in maintaining your blood sugar stability, a vital component for those managing diabetes. With 20 grams of protein from eggs and cheese, coupled with 4 grams of fiber, this burrito ensures your breakfast is as nourishing as it is satisfying. Mushrooms contribute more than just great taste. They're rich in vitamins D and B, essential for bone health and immune support, according to the National Institutes of Health. B vitamins play numerous roles, from red blood cell formation to infection resistance, as highlighted by the American Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. The delightful mix of eggs, mushrooms, and goat cheese offers a savory umami flavor, promising to make these burritos a daily favorite. Convenience is key with this dish. Prep a batch and keep them in your freezer, ready to be microwaved for an effortless morning meal on the go. Each burrito contains 28 grams of carbs, balancing nutrients for a wholesome start. Imagine grabbing this warm, protein-packed burrito that feels like comfort, yet supports your dietary goals. It's more than just breakfast. It's encouragement on a plate, motivating you to embrace healthy choices every morning. This isn't just a recipe, it's a reinvention of how easy and tasty diabetes-friendly meals can be. 6. Bagel thins with nut butter, banana, and chia seeds. Bagels might not jump to mind when you think of diabetes-friendly foods, but a wholesome twist can make them part of your balanced breakfast. Imagine starting your day with a whole wheat mini bagel spread with creamy nut butter, topped with fresh banana slices, and sprinkled with chia seeds and a touch of honey. This combination not only satisfies your bread cravings, but also supports your dietary needs. Whole grains in the bagel offer fiber that's crucial for blood sugar management. According to the USDA, even a small serving of banana provides over 1 gram of fiber, adding to the balance of this meal. Nut butter and chia seeds are powerhouses of protein, crucial for staying full and maintaining steady energy levels. While honey adds sweetness, it can still fit into a diabetes-friendly diet when enjoyed mindfully. If you're concerned about sugars, a sprinkle of cinnamon offers a flavorful substitute with no risk of spiking blood sugar. This breakfast is not just about enjoying a lighter carb version of a bagel. Whereas a typical plain large bagel can pack about 70 grams of carbs, this version comes in at just 39 grams, making it a more manageable choice for maintaining healthy blood glucose levels. It's all about reimagining traditional foods to work for you, giving you satisfying options that don't compromise your health goals. Enjoy a fulfilling and flavorful start to your day, proving that managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up the foods you love. It's about making smarter choices that honor your health every morning. 7. Mini corn, cheese, and basil frittatas. Morning rush? Worried about finding a quick, healthy breakfast that won't spike your blood sugar? Enter the mini frittatas, the perfect on-the-go meal that's both delicious and diabetes-friendly. Packed with nutrition, these flavorful bites are easy to prepare ahead of time and store in your fridge, making them an ideal option when life gets busy. Each mini frittata boasts about 8 grams of protein while keeping carbohydrates low at 5 grams. This balance not only keeps your energy levels steady throughout the morning, but also leaves room for adding some delightful high-fiber fruits like berries. Just what you need to start your day on the right track. Including fruits is encouraged by the American Diabetes Association due to their rich fiber content and lower impact on blood sugar. But what about the starchy carbs? Yes, while these types pose a higher blood sugar risk, moderation is key. Mini frittatas incorporate non-starchy components too, making them not just low-carb but rich in fiber and antioxidants, thanks to ingredients like corn. According to recent studies published in Applied Biological Research, corn offers essential carotenoids, enhancing your meal's nutritional value. Imagine grabbing one of these protein-packed mini frittatas on your way out and feeling confident that they're not only sustaining, but are actively supporting your diabetes management. They're more than just a breakfast solution. They represent an easy, health-conscious start. So, let's embrace this simple yet powerful meal option and make mornings less about the rush and more about nutrition. Every bite matters in keeping you healthy and happy. 8. Scallion grits with shrimp. Indulge in southern comfort with a twist that suits your diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Scallion grits with shrimp. This classic dish isn't just delicious, it's thoughtfully curated to support your health needs. By keeping your serving to the recommended half cup, you can enjoy this much-loved breakfast without worry. Start your day with a blend of creamy grits enhanced by the sharpness of scallions, all topped with succulent shrimp. For an extra protein punch, consider swapping the corn grits for quinoa. Quinoa is a powerhouse, packing more than 2 grams of protein and 1 gram of fiber in the suggested serving size. According to trusted sources, combining fiber with protein is effective for diabetes management as protein digests slower than carbohydrates, offering a steady impact on blood sugar levels. With each serving containing 25 grams of carbohydrates and 20 grams of protein, this breakfast provides the perfect balance to fuel your morning. Shrimp delivers lean protein that pairs beautifully with the rich, hearty texture of grits. This dish proves that managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up beloved flavors. Each bite of scallion grits with shrimp brings comfort, satisfaction, and health in one dish. It's a reminder that classic tastes can transform into supportive, nurturing meals. Dive into this dish and enjoy the delicious journey towards a healthier you, one balanced breakfast at a time. Remember, breakfast sets the tone for your whole day, especially if you're managing diabetes. By choosing balanced meals like those we've explored, you're not just nourishing your body but also paving the way for better blood sugar control. It's all about moderation, leaning into protein-rich choices and embracing vegetables, all while breaking the boundaries of traditional breakfast ideas. So go ahead, experiment with these delicious options and find what truly works for you. If you're looking to keep your diabetes in check while enjoying delicious meals, check out our cooking channel just for you. We share tasty diabetes-friendly recipes that make healthy eating easy and fun. Don't miss it. Head over now and start cooking with us. We will leave the channel link at the description. We hope this guide inspires better breakfasts and healthier mornings. If you found these tips helpful, please leave a comment below with your thoughts or even your own breakfast ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-focused content and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insights into living well. Thanks for watching, and here's to nourishing mornings. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.